Look at her. The cleaner girl really thinks she deserves to be on our stage. Absolutely not. You will never dance here.
The winner is...
It's gorgeous. Wipe it up, cleaner girl. You're going too far. I'm only saying what everyone thinks. The cleaner girl is dancing! This scene was never meant for you. One day, I really will stand here. Who even taught you ballet? I simply learned by quietly watching from afar.
Let's do it one more time. It's all right. Try once again. Do you train every single day?
I practice ballet daily, only after everyone has already left home.
You truly have uncommon talent.
But I can't afford professional lessons.
Then I will give you an opportunity. Come to my class tomorrow.
Really? Thank you so much.
Today, our class has a new student.
Is that janitor girl actually studying with us?
You don't even own proper ballet shoes. Real talent doesn't depend on wealth.
Does it hurt? I'm okay. Let me help you count the rhythm. Thank you. You're getting better very fast, Megan. Why is Megan improving this quickly?
Your turn now, Megan.
Don't embarrass yourself before everyone. You can handle it, Megan.
You performed wonderfully.
Megan might become the Academy's next representative at the city competition.
Impossible! My ballet shoes disappeared! Those shoes cost a fortune!
What happened here?
My ballet shoes are missing, and I think Megan stole them. I didn't do that. I never stole anything.
Fine. We'll inspect everyone's bags.
These are my shoes! Megan stole them! That's impossible.
I refuse to believe Megan could do that.
Our academy will never accept stealing.
Please trust me.
Megan was immediately removed from the school.
Why did you come back?
You worked all day and you're practicing again?
I can't abandon ballet.
You have endured too much.
But nobody trusts me.
I know you're innocent, and I will help bring you back.
I knew you wouldn't surrender. Tomorrow I will investigate everything again and help restore your reputation, Megan.
Can I truly dance again?
Registration for the competition is still open.
My friend was unfairly accused. I need to review the security footage from that day.
It was her! This is unbelievable.
We will select the strongest dancer.
I'm certain I'll win the ballet contest.
Mary secretly hid the shoes and blamed Megan for everything.
What kind of trick are you trying now?
You deceived the whole academy. Mary is removed from all competition participation.
Impossible.
You're going to shine.
Feel like I'm going over the falls. My mind spins faster and faster. My
She looks like she's
heart is bursting
floating.
through the wall. And just for
You're
once,
incredible.
I wish we'd stop and smell the roses.
That place should have belonged to me.
The winner is Megan.
That victory should have been mine.
And in that very moment, everyone finally understood the truth. Real talent cannot be hidden forever.
Bravo, Megan! You earned this victory with your heart, your strength, and your courage.
Thank you.